Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Exam Sutra. Here we have planned to start the lectures for statistics first year, second year, third year and for MSc part 1 and part 2. Now firstly we are going to start with the lectures of SYBSc statistics for semester 3. Before starting, I hope and believe whoever have cleared the FYBSc, they must know the syllabus, what they have learned in first year. So, guys, if you are new to our channels, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's start. In first session we are discussing the syllabus of what we are going to start, that is SYBSc third sem statistics lectures. So in third semester there are 3 papers for statistics. As you can see here, we have taken the syllabus from Mumbai University side. So if you are from autonomous college, then it might vary, थोड़ा बहुत सा ही फर्क होगा, क्योंकि जो ऑटोनोमस कॉलेज होते हैं वो ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं करते अपने सिलेबस से, मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के सिलेबस से थोड़ा बहुत ही एडिशनल अगर कर सकते हैं तो करते हैं, वरना वही रहने देते हैं. सो आप इसे एक बेसलाइन मान के इसी को टारगेट कीजिए. जब तक कॉलेजेस नहीं खुल रहे हैं आप इसके ऊपर ही ध्यान दीजिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सिलेबस. इन दिस फर्स्ट सेशन वी वांट टू let you know what is the syllabus for semester 3 to make you aware the contents of paper 1, 2, 3. So in semester 3 for statistics there are 3 papers. Paper 1 is consisting of 3 units. First unit is univariate random variable. First of all, just understand the unit. Each paper having the 3 units. Just I am reading the unit's name, and after that we'll check and see how much contents under the unit 1 and under unit 2 and so on. So in paper 1, there is 3 units. One unit is univariate random variable that includes discrete and continuous. Second unit consists of standard discrete probability distribution, and third unit consists of bivariate probability distribution. Similarly, the second paper is having the 3 units. The first unit is about concept of sampling and simple random sampling. Second unit is about stratified sampling, and the third unit is about ratio and regression estimation. And the paper 3 consists of 3 units. First unit is linear programming problem, LPP. And the second unit is transportation problem, and the third unit is assignment and sequencing problem. Let's see topic wise, unit wise. See, in paper 1, unit 1 is univariate random variable that includes discrete and continuous distribution. It includes moment generating function MGF, cumulate generating function CGF, and their important properties, relationship between moments and cumulates and their uses, characteristics functions and its properties, transformation of random variable. This all makes the unit 1 of paper 3. Paper 1 Unit 2. Unit 2 consists of uniform Bernoulli's binomial, Poisson geometric, negative binomial, hypergeometric distribution. As I know, in first year you have taught with these distributions, just the distribution, what is distribution, and the PDF of distribution. So I hope you all remember this much of this topic. And this also includes the mean, mode, standard deviation, moment generating functions, cumulative generating function, additive property. This means we have to do only 6 distributions from this topic, and for one distribution we have to go for all this: mean, mode, standard deviation, MGF, CGF, additive property, generating function, characteristic function. So for one distribution we have to find out all these things. And 2 more is truncated binomial and truncated Poisson distribution. And the third is bivariate probability distribution. So it includes joint probability mass function for discrete random variable, joint probability density function for continuous random variable. Their properties: marginal conditional distribution, independence of random variable, conditional expectation, variance regression functions, coefficient of correlation, transformation of random variable, Jacobian transformation with illustration. So these are the reference books which are given for the paper 1 for this unit. Here you don't have to refer all this. We will start lectures and provide that session notes or PDF. Let's discuss about the paper 2. Paper 2 is of theory of sampling. So it includes the concept of sampling, that includes population unit, sample unit, parameter, statistics, estimator, bias, unbiasedness. That's all. You can read it from here. I will provide you the PDF of link of this PDF in the description given below. And the main topic we have to do in sampling is simple random sampling. It's with replacement or without replacement. This is important topic for semester 3. And second unit is about stratified sampling. So need for stratification of population with suitable examples, definition of stratified samples, advantages of stratified sampling, and stratified random sampling. It also includes with or without replacement with respect to strata. And third unit is about ratio and regression estimation assuming simple random sampling without replacement. So here it contains are ratio estimators for population ratio, mean and total expectation, and mean square error, that is MSE of the estimators of MSE, uses of ratio estimator, regression estimators for population mean and total expectation and variance of the estimators, assuming known value of regression coefficient, resulting variance of the estimators, uses of regression estimator, comparison of ratio regression and mean per unit estimators. Introduction to systematic sampling, cluster sampling, and two-stage sampling with suitable illustration. So, second paper is all about for the sampling. So here are the reference books given for this paper, but I recommend you to read from the PDF we provide you. Paper 3. Paper 3 is of operation research, OR. It is one of the important paper in statistics. Unit 1. Unit 1 is about linear programming problem, LPP. It includes mathematical formulation, maximization and minimization, concept of solution, feasible solution, basic feasible solution, optimal solution, graphical solution for problems with two variables, simplex method of solving problems with two or more variables, big M method, concept of duality, its use in solving LPP, relationship between optimal solutions to primal and dual, economic interpretation of dual. So these constitute the linear programming problem. And one must think, in colleges, the teachers require to complete one unit of paper, they need 15 lectures. So here we have decided to complete the SYBSC Statistics Semester 3 syllabus by the end of 30th of July. So might we complete it in a week or before a week. Second unit is of transportation problem. It includes concept, mathematical formulation, concept of solution, feasible solution, initial basic feasible solution by northwest corner rule, matrix minima method, Vogel's approximation method, optimum solution by Modi method, optimality test, improvement procedures, variants in transportation problem, unbalanced maximization type. Unit 3 is assignment problem. It includes concept, mathematical formulation, solution by complete enumeration method, Hungarian method, variants in assignment problem, unbalanced, maximization type, traveling salesman problem, sequencing, processing n jobs through 2 and 3 machines and 2 jobs through m machines. So this is first session, just to make you all aware of syllabus of semester 3. जैसे कि आप सब जानती हैं कि स्कूल कॉलेज खुलने में अभी काफी वक्त है. अभी हमें क्लियर आइडिया नहीं, यूजीसी से भी कोई नोटिफिकेशन अभी तक ऑफिशियल आया नहीं है कि कब चालू हो सकते हैं कॉलेज, कब तक, कोई डेट ऑफिशियल अभी तक डिक्लेयर नहीं हुई. सो हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम जल्द से जल्द आप लोगों का सिलेबस खत्म कर दें. आप अपनी तैयारी अपने ढंग से वीडियो देख के आपको अच्छे से समझा दिया जाएगा. सारे टॉपिक्स जितने भी उसके यूनिट्स हैं, जितने भी उसके अंदर टॉपिक्स है, सब कुछ आपको क्लियरली समझा दिया जाएगा विद द पीडीएफ. वी विल प्रोवाइड यू द पीडीएफ. सो हमें ऐसा न्यूज यूजीसी के थ्रू ऐसा न्यूज मिला है कि हो सके तो आप लोगों का पेपर सेमेस्टर 3 एंड सेमेस्टर 4 साथ में हो. तो इसलिए आप जितना ज्यादा रेडी रहोगे अपने प्रिपरेशन को लेके, उतना आपको अच्छा रहेगा. सो हम जल्द ही सिलेबस स्टार्ट कर देंगे. And most important thing guys, please like and subscribe our channel to get the more updates. Thank you.